welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using palm down and word mass method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 10, B is 20, C is 80 and D is 120. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can follow to solve the given expression. Here we will discuss two rules, odd mass and palm down. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, so you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve the division and multiplication. Either you are using the pandas or BODMAS. The rule is same for both. You can go left to right in your expression and find out which is coming first, either division or multiplication. So you have to solve that part first in your expression. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket. So we have here this bracket 7 minus 5. First of all, we write like this way, 30 divided by multiply by 4 minus 5 multiply by and 5 minus 7 minus 5 equals to 2 raised to power 3. 2 raised to power 3. Now we have solved this one. Here we will write like 7 minus 5 equals to 2. Now move forward. Step number 1 we have solved. Like we have solved the parenthesis and bracket. Now we have to for exponent, or you can say the order of operation. So now we have a number which is power. We write 30 divided by 2 multiplied by 4 minus 5 multiplied by 2 raised to power 3 means 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. 2 to the 4 and 4 to the 8. So here we have to write like this way, 2 raised to power 3 becomes 8 and 3 becomes the power. Now move forward. Step number 2 we have solved. Now we have to go for division and multiplication, or you can say the multiplication and division. So for this, we have to go left to right in this expression and find out which is coming. Now we have 30 divided by 2. So we have to solve this one. 15 multiplied by 4, 5 multiplied by 8. Now we have write like 30 divided by 2 equals to 15. Now move forward. Again, we have to go for left to right. So we will go for left to right and find out which is coming. So now we have 15 multiplied by 4. We have this number, which is we get the answer is 60. And minus 5 multiplied by 8. We will write here as it is. Here we have to give the reference 15 multiplied by 4 equals to 60. Now move forward to go again left to right, because we have another number which has the two number which has the multiplication sign between them. So we will get 60 minus 5 is the 40. Here we have 5 multiplied by 8 equals 40. Now we have two terms which are subtracting each other. So we will subtract both of them and get it's 20. The answer of the given expression is 20. If you see, the answer is answer B, the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye.